Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. Draw like a banner. This is happy holi card. This is H letter. This is P letter and again P letter. This is Y letter. Here I am drawing holy word. Draw H letter like this. This is outline of the H letter. This is O letter. This is L letter. Here I am drawing I letter. Draw like this. Now I am using red color brush pen for this word. Fill this word with red color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am using red color. Draw line like this. Here I am drawing small lines like this. And again repeat here. Draw a color bucket like this. Here I am drawing color bowl. Draw like this. Here I am drawing pot shape. This is color pot. Draw like this. And then I am drawing one more bucket, color bucket. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens or anything? Comment on comment section. Draw the lines like this. Here I am drawing water drop shapes. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Draw like this. I am drawing triangle shape and water drop shape. Here also repeat same. Draw like a balloon. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this middle space with yellow color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am using yellow color. This is light blue color brush pen. This is pista green color. Now I am using light pink color highlighter. Fill this middle space with light pink color highlighter. This is pink color sketch pen. Fill like this. Here also repeat. This is yellow color brush pen. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. This is pink color brush pen. This is yellow color brush pen. Now I am using orange color brush pen. This is yellow color brush pen. This is purple color brush pen. This is pista green color brush pen. This is yellow color. This is light blue color brush pen. This is orange color brush pen. This is green color, red color and light blue color. Orange color, light blue color, yellow color, green color and red color. Here I am using white color oil pastel. Fill like this. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs, comment on comment section. Here I am using black color sketch pen and scale for this design. Draw a triangle shape like this. Same repeat here. Draw like this. Here I am drawing water drop shape. Same repeat here. Here I am drawing outline of this design. This is green color brush pen. This is light blue color brush pen. Now I am using red color brush pen, sketch pen. Feel like this. This is yellow color sketch pen. This is yellow color brush pen. This is light blue color brush pen. This is red color brush pen. This is orange color sketch pen. Draw the design like this. Here I am using green color sketch pen. Draw the design like this. This is blue color sketch pen. I am using red color sketch pen. Fill like this. This is black color marker pen. Here I am drawing happy word. This is H letter. This is A letter. Here I am drawing P letter and again P letter. This is Y letter. Here I am drawing pot shape. Draw the pot shape like this. This is color pot. Same pot repeat here. Same repeat here. Here I am drawing H letter. Draw this design. Draw like this. Draw like a fire. This is O letter. Here I am drawing L letter. This is I letter. This is red color brush pen. This is orange color brush pen. This is yellow color. This is pink color brush pen. This is yellow color. Here I am using green color. This is light blue color. I am using green and yellow color. This is green color brush pen. Here I am using orange color brush pen. Fill like this. This is brown color brush pen. Fill this space with brown color. This is yellow color brush pen. This is violet color brush pen. This is yellow color brush pen. Fill like this is pink color sketch pen. If you want, you can use
Thank
any
you so
other
much for
colors.
watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.
This is orange color brush pen.